Today we are going to show you how to do two different types of drawdowns. One is for the mass tone and the other for the undertone. Let's get started. First type of drawdown is the mass tone. It allows you to see the color undiluted and highly concentrated. You can print out your very own Evenflo pigment drawdown sheet on the Evenflo website. Shake your pigment well. Open your bottle and place a few drops of the pigment on top of your sheet.
Add it up.
Take a palette knife or an old credit card and in one motion, push and pull downward on the drops of the pigments, allowing the ink to spread.
Okay, alright.
The second way to do a drawdown is to find the undertone. The undertone is the pigment's true color. Get your pigment and add one drop to the top. You're going to grab your Q-tip and soak it in a cup of water. Then take your Q-tip and dip it in the pigment. Then draw down in a zigzag motion.
Add it up.
Using either one of these drawdown methods will help you gain a visual knowledge on your journey of exploring pigments.
Add it up.